G'day guys. So, it's a rare occurrence I'm kind of home during the day. It doesn't really happen all that much. I'm normally out and about doing stuff, but I've been between jobs, about to go pick up the digger, and I thought I'd have a quick look at the solar system, see how it's going now that the sun's starting to come out. So it's like 23rd September, something like that. And just made a coffee, so I just bought the kettle, and we're back to completely full. 9 amps just coming in now. So we're up to 73 kilowatt hours out of this beast. 73! 29.2 volts in the bank. So that's those 4 super safe 190s in a 24 volt configuration, and those 4 100 power lights in 24 volt configuration. So it's 200 amp hour out of them, 190 out of them. Let's say 400 amp hour at 24 volts we've got kicking here. Well, this one we've got 3 250 watt panels. There's currently a Milwaukee battery charger, a fan and some USB chargers running. We're still chock-a-block full, only 9 amps coming in. Like I say, 73 kilowatts has come in. 76.9 kilowatt hours total out of the inverter. We're currently pulling 173 watts. What do we got coming in on the other one? I don't have any monitoring on the MPPT here. That's the MPPT here is monitored by hand. So we've got 10 amps, 11 amps coming in off him as well. So there's 20 amps coming in, and man, these solar days have got so much better. Just in the last couple of weeks, so much more power coming in. One downfall I've got is my antimatter down here doesn't like it. Generally just due to the fact it's over input voltaging all the time. As soon as it gets above 26 it comes up over input. So I need a big one of them. But yeah, this is just going great guns. As you can see, there's all manner of USB devices and things here that constantly getting charged. It's half an amp at 24 volts coming off the load there, which will be just coming straight off the solar panels. Turn that on to see if it would actually register still. 59% that big battery bank. That's full of LG HG 2 cells, so it's quite a serious battery bank. I think that's 8 of them in there. 24 amp hours at 3.7. So yeah, even with a bunch of chargers and USBs, and there's a pedestal fan going down the hallway, and a 3-bay 240 volt USB charger, and a Milwaukee charger rapid charging Milwaukee battery. Yeah, that's phenomenal. That's we've got 73 kilowatts out of this one. We've probably got 50 out of this one as well. I've used a lot straight out of DC. I use that antimatter a lot to charge and discharge batteries down here off the AC, off DC. Sorry, working on these 2, which are forklift batteries. Recovered that one. It had a few charge-discharge cycles and things like that, so bring it back to life. But look, 29.2 volts. It's middle of the day. It's totally full. I cook with this. I run the kettle and the coffee machine with this. Just ridiculous. Awesome cheap setup, guys. Just thought I'd update you. We'll do a bit of a review and what's good and what's bad when we get over 100 kilowatt hours out of the inverter. But for now I'm going to go and do a bit more brush cutting outside, so I've got some more flat batteries to throw on the charger while the sun's shining. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch you on the next video. We'll do an upgrade to this soon. I'm about to go and buy more solar panels, so that'll be cool. Catch us.